Started out from a very personal place. I had a childhood dog growing up who passed away, who I loved a lot. And I remember at the time feeling like I needed to suppress my grief at his passing because he wasn't a human family member. And that really led me to question sort of the role that this species hierarchy that we exist in has, and what value means and what sentience means when I could perceive the depth of his being. And I remember when I landed in Turkey and went to Istanbul and saw the way the dogs were living, where it felt like they were communally cared for and they could have these transitory friendships with all the people who were around them. I was really amazed by that because it was a concept, a way of relating to dogs and other species that was completely foreign to me. And I wanted to document that and capture that for the rest of the world to see, to sort of ask us to reconsider our relationships with other species, and in particular dogs. The biggest revelation I had over the course of making this film was that I had assumed, I think, cities with large stray animals are inhumane or not taking care of their animals. But I found out that it's actually the exact opposite. It's cities that don't have any stray animals that are actually betraying dogs and cats. It's because it means that you're getting rid of all of them. Where are they going? They're going into graveyards or languishing in cells for the rest of their lives. And that's something most of us don't think about. Obviously, these are conversations that I was drawn to, conversations about love and women. These are things that I'm personally drawn to, but it was also what Zeytin sort of happened to eavesdrop on. Zeynep will often send me smartphone pictures of them whenever she encounters them sleeping on the streets, as in the usual places, in the usual cafes and squares that she went to.